Welcome to another video by Supreme Concrete. Here I got a nice 60 by 60 metal building foundation with mat footings. I believe they're like 2 foot deep, 6 by 6s, depending on the area they were in. Here I brought a boom pump. It was a lot easier to pour with this than with the line pump. If you guys know, it would have been a 4-inch line pump or a 3-inch actually, and I didn't feel like pulling hose that day. Here we are, starting from the corner, just working our way over. I believe I poured 9 loads that day. The footings were pretty huge. 5-inch slab, 18-inch on center rebar. Here I am. We're finishing it. We got the power trailer walk behind and the rider, little low rider. I got that going on. And here we are, soft cutting. I cut 10 by 10 squares with the 4500 soft cut. I think it was a 14-inch blade. It cut like, I believe, 2 inches down. So we can help with all that and a nice hard trowel finish. Thank you for watching, guys.